Today let's learn how to sign in to your Mercury credit card account online. If you want to manage your Mercury credit card by signing into your account, then in this video I'm going to show you the exact steps and the exact website through which you can easily log in to your Mercury credit card account. So if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end and let's get right into the video. The first thing you want to do is open up your web browser and then search for mercurycards.com. This is the official website of Mercury Cards. So whether you have any type of card, you can log into your account through this section. So once you land on this interface, on the right hand side, you can see this sign in page. Now in order to log in, firstly you need to type in your username. Once you type in your username, in the second box, also type in the password that you created while signing up. Now if you don't remember either your username or your password, you can easily recover it by clicking on the forgot username or password link, and from here you can just follow the steps that are shown and follow the instructions, and you'll be able to recover either your username and also your password. And lastly, if you want this device to remember you, the next time you log in you can check this box, but avoid doing this if you're not using your personal device. Once you're done filling in this information, you can just click on submit and you'll be successfully logged in to your Mercury credit card account. So that was a real quick and easy video. I hope you guys understood and found this video helpful. If you have any questions related to the video, make sure that you comment down below. And that's going to be all for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.